Good morning everyone. Once again, this is DJ F, ang DJ na si Q. What do you do when it rains on a motorcycle? While riding, slow down as much as possible, squeeze your clutch, and coast through the paddle. At high speed conditions, try to maintain your speed and avoid abrupt changes as it can reduce the traction of your motorcycle. Also take into consideration the type of tires you have on your motorcycle. Let us talk the motorcycle safety tips. Wear motorcycle gear, inspect your motorcycle before its ride, obey traffic rules, use your signals and drive the speed limit, be visible, be observant and watch for road hazards, stay at a safe distance, carry a first aid kit, wearing proper riding gear such as helmets, pads, raincoats, rain boots, and riding jackets guarantee the overall protection of every rider during the rainy season. That's all for today guys. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa ating munting kalaman na shiner ngayon. Once again, this is your DJ F, ang DJ na si Kyo. Isang ligtas na paglalakbay sa maulang panahon ngayon.